So we're going to show you how to program a part here on the Delem 66Touch on our Ermoxen Evo 3 hybrid press brake. We'll select a new product and give it a product ID, product description. This might be your part number, your job number, your customer number. For our use here, we're going to just call it MacTech. Hit enter. Product description. This could be, again, your part number, your customer number, the description of what the part is. We'll just say that we are Fab, which is our motto here at MacTech. Your thickness, you can tell it whatever thickness part you're running. You're going to want to mic your material every time to ensure that the material that you're running is the exact material that you have into your program. That is very important. You can pull up your material type. Right now we are using steel. Your bend length, that's going to be the length of the part that you're bending on the press brake. We've got 7.87 inches. That'll work for us here. Your dimensions, are you programming from outside dimension or inside dimension? We're going to be outside dimension. Your radius and your bend allowance. You can tell it what you need, and that's going to be dictated by the tooling that you use, or you can use as calculated, and that's going to give you whatever the tooling and material type you're running as actual. So we're going to say use as calculated and accept there. Now here we are drawing your part. You can either write a program or draw a program. Right now we're going to draw a part. So we select here, we select there. Now we're going to tell it our properties. We want that to be a 2-inch flange, so I'm going to select that here and write 2 inches, accept. I'm going to select this, properties, I'm going to want to make that 2 inches as well, accept. We're going to want to make this one 6 inches, let's say. And we're going to go here. So we're going to make an even hatch. Whoop. Delete that surface there. I'll show you how simple that is. Okay, 90 degree, delete surface. Now we want to go to properties there. We're going to make that a 2-inch flange. Nope, that's a .02. Okay, accept. Now this, properties. We're going to mirror the other side, so we're going to make that 2 inches as well, accept. So here is the profile of our part. Now we're going to go select our tooling. Here's a graphic of the punch that's in the machine currently and the die that's in the machine currently. They both work for this thickness. So we're going to go off the races. Now this is going to show you your formed part, and here are the radiuses, as I was discussing, that are calculated with the punch and the die that you're using. These are the radiuses that it's going to give the part, since we didn't spell out any specifics there. We can unbend to see the part in its flat. We can also modify and shift the product. We can go and do a different bend sequence from what was standardly made by the program itself, or we can accept it as is. When we go to the program characteristics, we go to auto, and now we're ready to run the part. We hit our start button, and the gauge is going to go to the position for bend 1. You can hear this machine is very quiet in operation, as it doesn't have a hydraulic pump motor constantly running. That is also a big part of the wall plug efficiency of the Evo 3, is that this is only drawing power when the machine is engaging material. We've got a gravity downfall, a hydraulic press, and an electric charge return. So this machine is running at about half of the energy consumption of a standard hydraulic press brake. We're getting 472 inches a minute approach all the way up to 2 millimeters from material thickness, a 40-inch per minute bending speed, which is about twice the production speed of a hydraulic press brake, and a 400-inch per minute return. We can offer that speed, that efficiency, that accuracy all the way up to 286 tons by 14 foot. This machine is a 193/12. It'll do 1/4 inch full length. It'll offer the highest production, the best efficiency wall plug, the least maintenance, the highest production at the lowest cost, only from MacTech.